Nearly the entire humanity is suffering from loneliness. Even people who are surrounded by people can feel loneliness. I think it's a much deeper thing, but it is not habits. It's more deeper to that. It's just how badly you want it. How badly do you want it? How badly? I think you can only focus at the controllables. There will be obstruction, there could be distractions, but it boils down to this: how badly do you want it? When you get up in the morning, how badly do you want that? Is there a fire inside you? How to handle this? Fake successes everywhere, and how to be down to earth. Interesting question. There's a video I made on this topic on how to study Materia Medica. You might find interesting on YouTube. You can just open the link. So many books. Reading Materia Medica is like one lifetime. Allen's, Borek, Nash, Ken, Tyler, Dunham, Dr. Sankaran's book, Vithulkas. So many. Many. On giving more thoughts, I feel that you can probably give some time to the distraction in a week. That'll reduce your focus towards going towards it constantly. Instagram is not real success. Facebook is not real success. Real success, I believe, is something where you genuinely make a difference in someone else's life in a very meaningful way. I also feel it cannot be developed overnight. It is just within us. You can feel inspired by people around you. So association makes a lot of difference, but it's just inside you. Self-love helps to fight loneliness. So if you feel lonely, self-love is a possibility. Alright, so one of the secrets to fighting loneliness: have tea. Beautiful. When you come here, you can have tea with me sometime. I also think one of the main solutions for loneliness is to find a way to be friends with yourself. I think that could be very important. How to develop discipline? I think it basically boils down to habits. Can you sustain habits that you make for yourself? 21 days, if you follow a habit, that's it. All these ideas of influencers and all this are very short-term things. But when you make a difference more at a deeper level, in a meaningful way, that is more long-term. I think also the best way to work it out is also to find things that you like to do. I think to depend on someone else to give you happiness would be too difficult. That's a difficult question. How to overcome loneliness? First of all, I'm not an expert in it. Second, we all feel lonely. All of us. How to get out of distractions? I think that make your work or whatever you're doing more interesting. I think so. This distraction will be less. And yeah.